Fears of eviction, something we've been hearing about throughout this pandemic. While the governor's eviction order expired last month, there's still federal protection in place for those people who have been financially impacted by COVID-19. For Your Corner's Sandra Rodriguez shows us one nonprofit law firm is working to make sure tenants know their rights under the current law.
Since April, people struggling to pay rent in Florida were protected through Governor Ron DeSantis' eviction moratorium. But despite the governor's decision to lift the ban on evictions, people financially impacted by the pandemic are still protected.
Centers for Disease Control issued an order on September 4th that basically put a freeze on evictions for non-payment of rent.
Kathy Lucrezi is with Legal Aid Service of Collier County, a nonprofit law firm. Lucrezi says in order for people to be protected by the federal order, they must meet several qualifications.
That I make less than $99,000 a year. I'm having trouble paying the rent. I've tried to pay the rent. I'm doing the best I can.
The tenant must fill out a declaration form and give it to their landlord to invoke the protection.
But it's basically a paper that says, I swear that all of this is true.
The federal order protects people until December 31st.
The tenant still remains liable for rent, charges, and late fees.
Collier County Clerk of Courts received 85 eviction filings in September, with Collier County deputies serving 18 writs of possession last month, 2 since October 2nd.
The tenant is engaging in unlawful activity at the premises or causing damage to the premises or violating some other part of the lease, that eviction will go through. It's not protected by the CDC order.
To help answer questions surrounding evictions, Legal Aid Service of Collier County will host a free webinar this Wednesday, the first of a grant-funded free webinar series.
When a tenant signs the declaration or the certificate that they meet all the criteria, the tenant is signing it under penalties of perjury. So we want to be sure that people understand the impact of what they're signing.
For more information on how to join, you can visit fox4now.com. In Collier County, Sandra Rodriguez, Fox 4 in your corner.